My name is Norma Martinez with Adaptive Physical Education Services with Dallas ISD. And today I'm going to demonstrate how to do striking on a tabletop with household items. Here I have a plastic cup, socks rolled up into a ball, a paper towel tube, and here's how it's done. You take your paper cup, you place your sock ball, you take the paper towel roll or tube in the grasp of the dominant hand, and you go ahead and start hitting it sideways. You pick it up, and you do it again. Pick it up, do it again. And that is striking with household items on a tabletop.